If the Saily app on your phone isn't working quite right, maybe it's glitchy, not connecting properly, or you just want to start fresh, one of the easiest fixes is simply reinstalling it. So, in this video, I'll walk you through how to reinstall the Saily app on both Android and iPhone. And before we start, if you're setting up Saily for the first time, or thinking about getting it, there's a link in the description that gives you 15% off all Saily plans. Definitely check that out after this video. Alright, let's begin with Android. Find the Saily app on your phone, press and hold the app icon, and tap the little I or App Info button that appears. From there, tap Uninstall, then confirm when your phone asks if you're sure. That's it. Saily is now removed from your device. To reinstall it, just open the Google Play Store, search for Saily, download the app again, and log back in with your account. It's the same process you followed when you first set up your eSIM. Now, if you're using an iPhone, the steps are just as simple. Locate the Saily app, press and hold the icon, and tap Remove App. Then choose Delete App to confirm. After that, open the App Store, reinstall Saily, and you're good to go. And that's it. A quick reinstall usually clears up small bugs or connection issues and gets the Saily app running smoothly again. Before you go, don't forget there's a 15% off link in the description for all Saily plans. Perfect if you're reinstalling, switching plans, or just want to save a bit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.